Boom, we are here in Zanzibar, paradise in East Africa. Come on, we stopped off at Msonge Organic Farm, and this place, they do everything from start to finish. We're going to see the process, and it's all about how they basically grow food from farm right down to the table. And it's all about here using the food, the organic food, to nourish, enrich and empower the local community. And that is what we're going to do today. So today, Eli's a farmer. Follow man on this journey, innit? Come on. Every Sunday, Msonge hosts a farm-to-table event where guests can enjoy dishes prepared with fresh, organically grown produce from the farm. The menu often features farm-raised chicken and eggs and occasionally includes locally caught fish. Beverages such as seasonal fruit juices, mint-flavored water and coconut water are also served. That's it, that's it, that's it. We're in Africa now. That's it, come on. Thank you. So we just got coconut. Oh man, God is good. It's good. This is nice. First and foremost, tell us about Msonge Organic Farm, very briefly.
Very briefly, Msonge Organic Farm was a farm founded by my grandfather. He bought the farm in the 60s, back in early 60s, and he moved his entire family here, so we all grew up at the farm. Yeah. So it's a family farm.
Love that.
And he's been doing organic way back when. And we're still continuing the tradition. My mom is the one who went to school for agriculture, so she's more passionate about that. She's the one managing the entire thing. Yeah. The whole concept of this farm to table is we want people to go back to how it was before. That's it. To stop using chemicals. There's too many diseases nowadays that are not inherit.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, but most of these come from the chemicals that we use in the farm products. So we want to go back to using organic products to keep for our own health and benefits. That's why we're doing organic.
Sure.
Yes, and this is an event that happens every Sunday.
So every Sunday?
Every Sunday, 1 p.m. we have the farm to table. Karibu sana.
Karibu. So we're gonna eat well.
Oh yeah, very well.
Soil to the soul.
Exactly.
Soil to the soul. Come on. Visitors can then embark on a guided tour of the farm to explore its diverse ecosystems and learn about organic farming practices. Tours include visits to the Practical Permaculture Institute and demonstrations of harvesting and packaging organically grown produce.
Actually, this tree is a very spicy tree. I think we have also used the spice there in our main dishes. It's called curry leaves. Yeah, so this is the tree that comes, and these are its seedlings. They just fall everywhere, so we let them grow so that we can transplant from one place to another. So we have different seedlings here at our greenhouse.
You grow it all yourself?
Yes, we do it, everything. We mix up the soil. We do whatever we can to make sure that we can have productivity here at our place. So we have some passion trees, we have mango trees, papayas, all type of trees that you can think of. We have the seedlings here. So as you can see, some of the seedlings are there waiting to be planted. So we try our best to do everything organically. So nothing that you see here, there's no any chemical that we use to grow it here. So whatever we have, we do it organically. So this place here, it's since it has been created, I think it's more than 20 years, because Msonge Organic Family Farm, it's all about the family. So initially, it was just like it was not for commercial use, but due to the demand of healthy food, organic food, everybody wants organic food. So we ended up doing now, we start now selling to the outsiders, because everybody who could come in could want to have a product, one of our product. So that's how we ended up doing this now, to become commercially farmers now. We are one of the leading organic farmers here in Zanzibar. So we are proud to be Msonge farmers here. Yeah, so yeah, that's that. You know, the philosophy, the reason behind doing this is we feed the soil, and the soil feeds us. Yes. So that's the trick that we do. We do nothing else. Once we have planted this one here, we just water it and use our organic pesticide and fungicides. That's all what we do. Already the soil has been fed enough with enough microorganism. We have put enough manure there, enough compost in it. So everything that we have here, it's all organic, as you can see.
Yeah, sorry, let me see. Yeah.
Cowpea.
Yeah.
This is breadfruit.
Yeah.
This is chai tempura made from the chai leaf.
Yep.
And the tempura is what flour? The lentil flour.
Lentil flour, yeah.
And deep fried.
Yeah, time to chop. Thank you very much. So I've already got my own organic made dishes.
Did it all get wet?
Nah, I didn't get wet. The rain will add a bit of flavour anyways. So we're here we are, we're about to try the food. It is raining cats and dogs right now. We're trying to shelter ourselves away from this rain. This crazy rain that we're experiencing right now. It's killing the vibe, not gonna lie. But
that is nature for you.
It's nature.
We're out here in the wild.
That's right. It's not organic farm if we're not getting rain at some point. Do you know what I mean? But I'm gonna try these chickpea balls right now, and it looks like a vibe. It looks like a vibe. Very crunchy. You can feel it. Feel Oh wow, that is really good. It's almost got a falafel type of vibe. It's really nice. That is really good. Really good. And the dipping sauce really brings out the flavors. It enhances the flavors, takes it to another level. Oh yeah, that's a vibe. Proper vibe. Banging. Absolutely banging. The breadfruit, oh my God.
Mad.
It's sweet and savory at the same time. And it's got a bite to it. I really like it. It's got like a potato-y sort of fried potato-y kind of vibe. But like a sweet cassava mix, which I really appreciate, man. It's really good.
Dishes are prepared using freshly harvested produce from the farm, including seasonal fruits, vegetables, and organically raised chickens and eggs. The meals are served buffet style in farm's lush garden. You have beans cooked in coconut sauce, you have plantain in coconut sauce, you have rice, you have fish, you have so many dishes lined up on this table, and I can't wait to tuck in.
Lentil with rice.
That's good. That is good. Oh my God. That is good.
The food here, the organic food here being served is fresher and more vibrant, more natural, packed with earthy flavors, less watery, and the biggest wow factor here is that it's come from super fresh local organic
the vegans,
produce.
they did their thing with this one still. Did their thing. It's nice, man. And when it feels so good, you just want to do the happy dance.